to Cape Town and welcome to HotChillee's roller coaster, which is 7 days of epic gravel riding in the national parks of South Africa. I don't really do much gravel and I don't think I'm going to be very good at it. He does though.
Scary fast. The man's won the Cape Epic 5 times. He's a legend when it comes to off-road riding. So any questions, ask him.
I think we're gonna be a super cool team, and it's very nice to have something characteristic the next days ahead. A to B, learning new towns to know, landscape and people.
So I'm really late. I've just got changed. The rider briefing is going on now. We're doing a 17-kilometer prologue. It helps them see the groups, and the gist I got from this briefing was follow the arrows. What's that?
But look what I have in here. It's amazing. Camera, chocolate bar, baton to hit people.
Oh, what the heck?
Fractured arm.
Sven, you're going to walk 550 kilometers.
Walk 500 miles. Yes, I'm here to support you.
Oh, thanks.
Francis, it's good to see you again.
It's good to see you.
Where have you? There was a guy who got on the bus this morning that we picked up, and he said his favourite video was the one where the two of us were stuck in the sand. Remember that day?
Oh no.
We did like 2 hours, 8 kilometers or something.
Yeah. You'll be pleased to know I haven't resolved the pedal situation at all, and I'm riding road pedals again.
I know.
So the same thing could happen.
Really?
Yeah, I don't learn my lesson.
I also have to get some air out.
Taking this serious.
Run over, maybe here.
No, taking it comfortable.
It's 400 metres behind.
Yeah.
I thought, oh, there's 2 behind, they'll sweep it up. But somebody will get it.
I've got plenty more.
It's right on
Gravel
the
is well hard. So this stage wasn't on the recce when I did it with Sven last time. The majority of this event isn't on terrain as hard as that. That was flipping hard. My bike's filthy already. So I've just come back out. It's a beautiful sunset. Couldn't waste this opportunity to get some shots. Extra miles in the legs though.
There's some winners and losers. Obviously, gravel riding was a winner. Yeah. Road riding was a loser. Yeah. We're not really focusing too heavily on times and who wins and who loses, so we're just going to reward you with alcohol. And if you don't share it, you're a dick. First of all, the overall winners, a bloke called Christoph Saucer. Some guy, Cup and Saucer, I think they're called now, with Craig boys. So Christoph and Craig. Christoph, you've been on stage enough, so if Craig, you'd like to come up and get, you can sit down, buddy. Did it in 36 minutes too, 36 minutes and 10 seconds. Yes, Francis. What do you want?
A 10-second synopsis, please.
Oh, 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Not a 10 secs.
10 sec synopsis. So the synopsis for today, we are in Bontebok National Park, and we did our sunset prologue, which is kind of cool. We saw quite a lot of antelope, various species, but the sun was coming down 16.5 kilometers, very soft gravel up on a plateau. Very, very special, beautiful sunset, and then a nice dinner tonight, and all again tomorrow. A bit of a longer day.
Longer day, 69k, 60.
So 58 kilometres
58.
tomorrow, but quite lumpy and some technical riding. We cross a couple of rivers, around a dam. We go through a pine forest. We're up on a plateau. We go through a dairy farm, so you got to watch out for cow shit.
It's his farm.
Saki's farm. So it's sort of a real mixed terrain tomorrow, so I think people will be surprised. 58 sounds short, but it's quite punchy.
58 gravel is not the same as 58
we've got a bit of
on the road.
hiker bike going on tomorrow as well, so that'd be good. Bike on shoulder or push your bike up the hill. So we'll see how we go. Be good.
Awesome.
I look forward to it tomorrow. That sounds epic.
It is good fun tomorrow. Yeah, it's really good fun.
Enjoying Instagram. happy star.
Are you enjoying it?
Oh, 5.
Right. Since I left for my flight yesterday evening, I basically haven't stopped. I've got about 4 hours sleep on the plane and that's it. I'm going to cut today's video slightly shorter than usual. Stay tuned for the next 6 days of awesome gravel all along the coast of South Africa. I've got Nick the photographer helping me with some drone footage, and I've got my new GoPro as well. It's going to be a bonkers week and a proper adventure that only gravel cycling can give you. Thank you as always for watching, and goodbye for now.